Hello students. In earlier classes, you studied about what algebraic expressions are. Let's first quickly recap. Algebraic expressions are the idea of expressing numbers using letters or alphabets without specifying their actual values. The basics of algebra taught us how to express an unknown value using letters such as x, y, z, etc. These letters are called variables. An algebraic expression can be a combination of both variables and constants. Any value that is placed before and multiplied by a variable is a coefficient. For example, 2x plus 3 is an algebraic expression where x is a variable, 3 is a constant, while 2 is a coefficient. But students, do you know how to add, subtract, or multiply these expressions? In this video, we will learn all these concepts from the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Let's talk about addition first. When we add algebraic expressions, we combine like terms together. Like terms are terms that have the same variables raised to the same powers. To understand this concept better, let us add 6xy plus 7yz minus 2zx, 4yz plus 8zx minus y, and minus 9zx plus 2x minus 5xy. When adding, we will make sure to keep the same variables under each other. Like below, 6xy plus 7yz minus 2zx, we will write the second expression as 0 plus 4yz plus 8zx minus y. We added this 0 because we do not have any value with the same variable as xy. Similarly, we rearrange the third expression and write it as minus 5xy plus 0 minus 9zx plus 0 plus 2x. Now we add these expressions and we get xy plus 11yz minus 3zx minus y plus 2x. Next we move on to subtraction. We subtract 3x square minus 2y square plus 4y minus 3 from 5x square minus 2xy plus 6y square plus 5x minus 3y. Now we know that minus minus is plus and plus minus is minus, so the expression 3x square minus 2y square plus 4y minus 3 becomes minus 3x square plus 2y square minus 4y plus 3. The signs in the third row written below each term in the second row help us in knowing which operation has to be performed. Now we simply add the expressions 5x square minus 2xy plus 6y square plus 5x minus 3y and minus 3x square plus 2y square minus 4y plus 3. We get the answer 2x square minus 2xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 7y plus 3. Students, the next topic that we will do is multiplication of algebraic expressions. For example, if you have 4 rows of apple trees and each row has 6 apple trees, you can write it as 4 into 6. When you multiply 4 and 6, you get 24, which means you have a total of 24 apple trees on your farm. Students, in this example, we carried out multiplication of quantities. Now suppose if the quantities are given by algebraic expressions, we need to find their product. This means that we should know how to obtain their product. Let us do this systematically. To begin with, we shall look at the multiplication of two monomials. As you already know, an expression that contains only one term is called a monomial. Let's say you have to calculate the area of a football ground with its length as 17a and breadth as 6b. Now we know that the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So the area will be 17a into 6b, which is equal to 102 ab. Note that we multiplied the coefficients together. In algebraic expressions, we multiply the like terms together. That is, the coefficient of a product is equal to the coefficient of the first monomial into coefficient of the second monomial. That means 102 equals 17 into 6. Now that we know how to multiply two monomials, we will learn how to multiply 3 or more monomials. Imagine you are buying yourself a refrigerator and you have to put it in one corner of the room. The length and breadth of the refrigerator are 5L each and its height is 9H. Find out what space of your room the refrigerator takes up. To do so, you calculate the volume of the cuboid, that is, length into breadth into height. The volume of the cuboid is 5L into 5L into 9H, which is equal to 25L square into 9H, which is equal to 225L square H. In this case, we multiplied the coefficients together and the variables together. Since length and breadth have the same variable, L into L becomes L square and L square into H becomes L square H. So students, with this we have completed addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, and we have learned how two or more monomials are multiplied. Now that you've understood the topics, open the EduRev app and take the test of this chapter. Your marks are going to tell you whether you've understood the topics. Also, here's an amazing secret. You get video lectures, chapter notes and MCQ tests for all the chapters in the EduRev app. That's the magic of EduRev courses. You get everything in a single place. And not just mathematics, you get amazing courses for social studies, science, English, Hindi, and much more on EduRev. Thank you.